Hey, this is Ellie from Magic Beans, and in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Britax Advocate in SafeWash, and also the Britax Highpoint in SafeWash. Now, what's SafeWash? SafeWash is a proprietary material by Britax that is both machine washable and dryable. Why is this important? Because you can, sometimes children, I know I have 3 children, they have accidents in the car. They can throw up, they can have like blowouts, all this stuff in their car, and sometimes you need to wash them and dry them quickly. In terms of a booster seat, which the high point is, your kid's gonna be eating in the car and it's gonna get nasty and you need to wash it and dry it quickly. The other cool thing about SafeWash is that they do not add any chemical flame retardants to the fabrics, which means that you don't have any chemicals going up against the faces and the bodies of the children, which is really awesome. Now, what is an Advocate? An Advocate is a convertible car seat. It's rear-facing to 40 pounds and forward-facing to 65 pounds. And this one is the Advocate. So Britax makes 3 types of convertible car seats. They make a Marathon, a Boulevard, and an Advocate. The Advocate is the pinnacle of safety because it has 3 layers of side impact protection. 1, 2, 3. The outside layer is side impact cushion technology, which is a air-filled plastic shell, which not only reduces the crash forces from the side, but also if you have a passenger in the back seat of the car, it's going to be safer for the child, it's going to be safer for the passenger to be next to that car seat, which is super cool. This is a Clicktight product, which means that it has this compartment that you can open up and you can take your seatbelt and route it through easily, which makes it super, super easy to install. And then you just push this closed gently and easily and you can install it. Anyone can install it. I'm telling you, anyone can install this car seat. And they did such an awesome job with their 2022 fashions. It's this ombre look, which I particularly like. And the other thing about the Advocate and the other Britax convertible car seats, it has a non-rethread harness. So you can just lift up this little red sort of button on the top, and the straps go up as your child gets bigger. Now you want to remember that you want the straps to be at the shoulders and below when you're in the rear-facing position, and at the shoulders and above when you're forward-facing. And then we also want our children rear-facing as long as possible. So really keep your child rear-facing in this thing until 40 pounds. Now, you may also have a child who needs a booster seat. Now remember that booster seats are really important because seatbelts are not safe for children who are 4'9" and shorter, because in particular, the lap belt doesn't go over the bony hips. It goes over the guts of the child, and if you're, God forbid, in a crash, that lap belt is going to smush the child's guts. That sounded kind of gross. I'm gonna stop saying guts for the rest of the video, I promise. But the lap belt, when you're in a booster seat, raises the kid up and it goes against the bony hips of the child. The other thing is it has this buckle pad. So what it enables you to do is when you put that lap belt through, it goes through this little red nook. And so the child does not, like submarine, does not go underneath the seatbelt, which makes it even an additional layer of safety, which is one of the things I absolutely love about this booster seat. It has great side impact protection on the head, the shoulders, and also it has 2 cup holders for kids' sippy cups, which is really, really nice. And also, again, it's in that SafeWash material, which is machine washable and dryable and flame retardant free. We have both of these products at mbeans.com with free shipping, and in Magic Beans stores. You can book a consultation today with one of our experts to learn more about these amazing car seats. Go to mbeans.com/consultations, and I'm going to put a link to a playlist of my favorite car seats so we can help you figure out what car seat is best for you and for your family. I'll see you at another Magic Beans video.